Good morning, everyone. All right, so this is week 3 of Tirzepatide. Starting my third shot today. Still sticking with my original 2.5 milligrams or 15 units. It seems to be working good. So, a couple of things really quick as I'm heading into week 3. I could tell you, I think I talked about it after week 1. You literally have to force yourself to eat. Like I am like there's certain times I am just so disgusted with food that I don't even want any, and I have to literally force myself. I worry about getting my protein amount in, even drinks. Yeah, so I'm just gonna warn you right now. Like I don't know if everybody's the same, but for me, I literally have to force myself to eat. As far as weight loss, I know mine isn't typical. I lost 10 pounds the first week. I haven't weighed myself yet, but honestly, I'm expecting at least another 5 pounds. And I'm only saying that because, so I put on a pair of pants that I haven't worn in probably 2, 3 weeks. And the way it fell off me was like drastic. So I know this was a good week again as far as weight loss. Um, Things that I've been eating. So I keep my diet high protein. I am neurotic about looking at. Is neurotic the right word? I don't know, but I'm like really, really strict about looking at sugars and everything. Um, a lot of my drinks, what I drink, so I like vitamin water, but it's got 22 grams of sugar. So what I'll do is I'll make an ice water, and then I'll just take the vitamin water and put a swig of it on top just to add a little flavor. Keeps my sugar down. I still do my cardio. I do 3 days a week, only about 30 to 40 minutes of cardio. Burns roughly about 500 calories per workout. Um, and that's been working for me. So I'll take my shirt off real quick. I don't know if you guys are able to tell a difference yet from the side. I mean, I know my body obviously better than anybody else. I can feel a difference. Um, Again, the biggest thing is making sure when you're on this GLP-1, you are eating. You cannot not eat, because if you don't eat, you're gonna cannibalize muscle more so than fat, or I don't know, maybe at the same rate. But the idea is to try not to cannibalize any muscle at all. So please make sure you guys are forcing yourself to eat. As far as side effects for me, the worst side effects I've had, I would get some heartburn, even from eating like the most normal thing. I love eggs in the morning for breakfast, and now I get halfway through my egg white and turkey omelet, and I'm like, I don't even want it anymore, and I could start feeling a little bit of heartburn, and I feel like tremendously full. Same thing with chicken breast. I can eat a couple pieces of chicken breast, and then I'm just disgusted, like I don't want it anymore. Tell you what I do to get protein. I got these little things called frog fuel. I don't know. I think it's backwards. So, but frog fuel. So if you look at the nutrition facts on the fuel, this packet is literally 1 fluid ounce, 15 grams of protein, 22 amino acids, fully digestible in 15 minutes. And this one particularly is one with caffeine in it, 120 milligrams, which I believe is like a cup of coffee. So it's also an energy drink as well. Let's see. I don't believe there is any zero sugar in it. So it's like the perfect little supplement. They When you buy them by the box, they're roughly like $2 each. It averages out to, and I use 2 of those a day. So that's 30 grams of protein, and I am currently taking in about 120 grams of protein a day, or trying to. Some people say to me, "Why don't you just do a shake?" Well, guess what? A lot of those shakes have sugars in them. Not only that, the shake it's not, when you're on a GLP-1, you need that food because your body will digest it slowly. When you are drinking, taking your calories in through liquid, you are defeating the purpose of the GLP-1. You're kind of bypassing it, and you're shooting yourself in the foot. So you got to have that food. You want your protein to come in by food. Again, this is just what seems to be working for me right now. But week 3, let's get on the scale. All right, folks, you saw it, 259. That's 12 pounds in the past week, and I knew I took off some weight. I didn't think it was going to be that much, and I can tell you it's not strictly water weight. I haven't worked out since yesterday, early yesterday, and I've drank quite a bit since yesterday. So it's not like a cheater weigh-in where I just got off the treadmill and sweated out 3 or 4 pounds. Like I'm ready to get on the treadmill and do my cardio for the day, and I'm shocked. 259, 12 pounds in 1 week. I know my body can't sustain that. I know that at some point, I'm probably week 3, maybe week 4, I'm gonna plateau, and it might be like a 2 pound loss or whatever. But right now, I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. I'm not going to change anything. I'm not going to increase my dose. Yeah, I'm a little speechless. 12 pounds in 1 week, and that's week 2. Well, there you go. I'll see you guys next week.